With COVID-19 cases spiking in Joplin and across Jasper County, health officials are urging people to take precautions. This is KOAM News at 6. In the last week, Joplin has added 274 cases, bringing its total active caseload to 345. Jasper County has 322 active cases and reported 2 more deaths today. KOAM's Kate Kelly says hospitals are struggling.
COVID numbers are going up, and we actually are seeing the highest number of inpatients we've had since this pandemic started 232 days ago.
You know, right now we have more people that are on active isolation orders than we've had at any time in the past. And so it is out there, and at least in the last few days, we've seen a pretty significant spread.
COVID cases are up 23% in Jasper County, breaking new records and worrying parents like Marissa Castle, who says her 3 kids all go to school in person.
I mean, I'm concerned, but I do feel comfortable sending them because Joplin does a really good job, I feel like.
Even with precautions in place, she says she knows the risk is out there.
I think that there's always going to be a spike at some point when large amounts of people are together.
It's putting a real strain on area hospitals. Freeman currently has 44 COVID-19 patients. Mercy officials say they're seeing their highest number of COVID patients hovering in the 30s to 40s. That's impacting wait times and bed availability for patients in the ER.
We still got some capability, but what I want people to know is that it's not unlimited. And so we have staffing constraints, we have staffing resources that are a little bit tight in some areas right now. So we are making it work. But if we have big waves coming in, we're going to be having a lot of challenges for us going forward.
Capacity is a growing concern for hospitals across Missouri. For some, 10% of all patients are battling the coronavirus. Health officials say people need to wear a mask and social distance as much as possible to help get things back under control.
That really is the only tool we've got in the toolbox right now. And so, you know, until we get a vaccine or better cures for the illness, I think that's our only message that we can use.
In Jasper County, Kate Kelly, KOAM News.
Chief medical officers from the University of Kansas Health System, Liberty Hospital, North Kansas City Hospital, Truman Medical Center's University Health, and others briefed about 150 lawmakers today on the rising caseload across the state of Missouri. Doctors say it's up to elected officials to deal with the rising numbers in whatever ways they deem necessary, but urge them to convey to the public the pillars of infection prevention and that those who wear masks and avoid large gatherings help keep businesses open and keep people out of hospitals.